Alright, and here is Ed Loke's car. Drove up from Sarasota to be here today. Nice. Look at this bumper here he's had it. He's got those really cool inserts in the bumper, and it's also, of course you can see it's been tucked, but it's also been added to. It's a little deeper right there. It looks really neat. And then something else that looks really neat is he put this great big old 454 in here. Clean, tidy. I like the paint. I like that color. It's kind of a two-tone. It's a darker. I can't figure if the bottom is gray or silver, or if the paint is gray or silver, but it's a little darker on the top, lighter on the bottom. Looks good. I like it. Interior is nice and tidy. Get a little sense of the color right there, I think. And he's got a tucked rear too. I'm going to show you this because it's just cool. Look at that. And look at those brake lights. That's just neato. Nice car. Nice car. It's Ed Loke's. And here's the El Camino row. There's Randy's car. Scott came up, brought his. Ed Loke, his car. Of course, Jay is here in his ride.
That or a bride, never.
CJ's here. There's his, and then I'm down here at the end. Or actually, I'm not the end. I'm the first one. A few cars here. It started out a little chilly and overcast, but sun's come out. It's warming up. Nice day. There are a few pretty sweet rides at this show. This is one of them. I've seen this before and I really like this. I think this is an Apache, but I don't know. But I really dig that setup right there. I think that looks cool. But the thing is just so well done. The paint is awesome. And this is pretty cool. Yes, sir. I like. Nice work down there. I don't know if I can get enough detail in there. You can see that frame is tidy. I really like the way he's done those engine mounts and the rack and pinion in there. Really sweet. Here is another really cool one. I love the chop on this thing. That is just a good looking ride right there. I like that shiny top and that satin suede lower. It looks good. Really nice. Really nice. Nice, nice ride.
7th to the 10th of April. Last year I went home early enough and we sat there until it was the first of Navy. I noticed.
You know, I'm going to have to confess, I don't know what this is, but I do like it. But I certainly know that 5960 dash. Neato. Pretty tidy 71 here. And yabba dabba doo. Yeah, I know, but I don't care. I've always dug these E-types. I just think they're cool cars. And that's the second reason why they're cool cars. Always one of my favorite Corvettes. I love that body style, and especially the chrome bumper bodies. Didn't like them much after the chrome bumpers went away. I really like this one with all the gears, but when you add to that this little jewel, 327, 350 horse. That makes for a nice, fun day. There we go. These Calientes are pretty cool cars. I like those deep wheels and moons. And this guy has put 5-speed in his. Nice and tidy. And then you got this really neat setup. Triple 2 barrels. Small block Ford. Yeah, buddy.
Thank you.
A real tidy Camaro convertible here. 67 or 68. But look at this. It's got the gears and the neat gauge pack. That's a neat car. Plus, you get this.
I'll take that one. I'll take that. Hi guys. We love your car.
Thank you.
Sweet. Nice tidy little fastback with the 390 in it. Gotta like that part. Clean and tidy. Plus all the gears. Nice car. Yeah, and I always like these little dusters here. I actually prefer the bumpers from the earlier years. But still, it's a neat body. And I can't help myself still. I still have a soft spot for these little slant sixes. This one's got the 4-barrel offie. Duals on it. Pretty neat. Ooh, and air conditioning.